In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams add-in missing in Outlook 5 minutes. If your Teams meeting button has disappeared in Outlook, the most common cause is that the Teams add-in is disabled. We'll re-enable it right inside Outlook and you'll be booking Teams meetings again in just a moment. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app on your computer. This process is for the full desktop version, not the web browser. With Outlook open, look to the very top left and click File. That takes you to the Backstage view where you can change settings. Next, go to Options. You'll find it near the bottom of the left panel. A new Outlook Options window pops up. In that window, select add-ins from the list on the left. This page shows everything Outlook can load, including the Teams integration. At the bottom of this add-ins page, you'll see a Manage drop-down. Make sure it says COM add-ins because that's where the Teams add-in lives. Then click Go. A smaller COM add-ins dialog appears with checkboxes for each extension. Find the entry labelled Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If the box is unchecked, that's why the Teams button is missing. Check the box to enable it. If you don't see the entry at all, it can mean the Teams desktop app isn't fully installed on this device, or your organization manages the add-in centrally. In that case, reach out to your IT admin for access. Once the box is checked, click OK to save. Outlook may prompt you to restart, and that's normal. Accept the prompt so the change takes effect. When Outlook comes back, go to your calendar, open a new meeting or appointment, and you should now see the Teams meeting option on the ribbon, or a toggle to make it a Teams meeting. Clicking it will add the online meeting details to your invite automatically. That's it. You opened Outlook, went to File, then Options, selected Add-ins, used the Manage menu for COM add-ins, clicked Go, checked Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office, and confirmed with OK. If the button still doesn't show, double check you're in the desktop app and signed into the correct work or school account, and confirm with your admin that Teams add-ins are allowed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you bring the Teams add-in back to Outlook quickly.